Hi, I'm Justin Anderson from Anderson Trucking Service. I'm the technical training manager here. Winter's coming, so let's talk about getting your bunk heater running and how to keep it running throughout the winter. To turn the bunk heater on, you got to make sure your key is off. And then you come back here, this unit will be powered up. You just hit that power button, hit it twice in order for it to say heater enabled, and then move your set temperature to where you want it. Once you do that, you just let it be. In 3 to 5 minutes, you'll start hearing it kick on and warm air should start coming. The most important thing you can do to get the bunk heater running and stay running throughout the winter is to get it running in the warm environment before it starts getting cold. Fuel will travel down the line and it'll be hard to get sucked back into the heater itself if it's cold. So if you are in a warm environment and you know you're going to a cold environment, start the bunk heater and let it run for a while before you get to the cold environment. That will increase your chances of it running when you get to the cold. This fuel treatment needs to go in while you're in a warm environment or before you get to a cold environment to prevent issues. This bottle is for 100 gallons. So if you have a 200-gallon tank or 200 gallons for your truck, get 2 bottles, and I would always have 2 bottles in my truck in case I need to go to a cold environment. And always put the additive in before you get to the cold environment. If you get to a cold environment and you are having troubles with fuel gel, grab a bottle of red 911. You put in 1 bottle for 100 gallons. This will help you get your fuel ungelled. This is not a treatment though. You'd still need to use a regular treatment for winter gelling. This is only for emergencies to get your fuel ungelled and off the road. Now let's talk about some of the symptoms you start seeing when your fuel starts to gel up. You can look at your fuel filter here, and the fuel bowl will start filling with fuel the more that this filter becomes plugged. So you'll start seeing fuel, and once it rises up to that black line, you either need to add some additive or have the filter replaced, or I would recommend doing both. Winter's coming fast. A couple things you can do to prepare for winter is to get your truck into a shop, make sure your tires are properly inflated, make sure your coolant is at the correct strength, and make sure that you get some additive added into your fuel so that you don't have gelling issues. Right now is the best time to be doing that while it's warm. You don't want to get into a situation where it's cold and too late. For more tips on preparing for winter, click on the link below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.